Hey guys, here with a quick Uber tip. When you're out driving, I think it's a good idea to keep a tire plug kit on you at all times, just in case you run into a situation like I did. I'll show you. So I'm driving around and I get a nail in my tire. See, if I were to wait until the tire shop was open, I would be out an entire night of business. It could cost me a couple $100. Or since I'm prepared, I can fix it in a matter of minutes and get back on the road and back to making money. So it's always a good idea to have this. I think I picked this kit up online for about $5. I'll put the link in this description below as to where I got it. But I'll even walk you through the process of how to do it if you run into the situation. So first things first, you want to remove whatever object is in your tread. In this situation, it's a nail. I just happen to have a hammer on me. You don't have to have a hammer on you at all times. Needle nose pliers or any kind of pliers will work. So I take the object out. You can use your reamer tool that comes with the kit. Stick it in there. It's gonna stop the leak for now. Put the car in park. You want to ream out the hole with the reamer that's provided in the kit, just to get it clean. So just bring it in and out, just to clean it up. That should be pretty good. Next, take your plug kit. Got one here. I'm gonna take the plug out. It comes with a install tool. You want to pinch the end of the plug so you can thread it through the needle. So, see, there's a needle right here. You want to thread it through. Like that. Thread it through all the way. So about half of the plug is on one side, half is on the other. And then real quick, you're gonna pull the reamer out and install the plug. And you wanna remove the plug as quick as you can so that the plug doesn't come out when you pull the tool out. Okay, so I'm gonna do that right now. I wish I had another hand. Push the plug in until about 3/4 of an inch is sticking out. And then you don't want to twist or anything, you just want to pull it straight out. Just like that. I took a razor blade, got a razor blade with me, just to cut off the access of the plug, make it flush with the tread, the tire, so it doesn't throw it out of balance. And I bought a portable air pump. I'll also put the link in the description for this, so you can fill the tire back up. But just thought I'd share a quick tip. It can literally cost you hundreds of dollars having to wait to bring your car back into the mechanic, or you could just fix it yourself in a matter of minutes. Be back on the road and making money. All right, you have a good night.